Think before you speak, plan before you act, accomplish your goals before it's too late. Hope comes with success, but success will come only to those with hope. Not every person deserves your explanation. Sometimes it's okay to be silent and let them assume that you are wrong. If there is no enemy, then it means you are not yet working towards the goal. Break through 1,000 obstacles and move forward. Not everyone you love will stay. Not everyone you trust will be loyal. Some people only enter our lives as examples of what to avoid. If you have a single thread of perseverance, you can quickly achieve the kite of success. Rather than showing you tall by standing on others' shoulders, stand alone. Self confidence is about showing your actual height. Whenever you fall, it is to rise and not to weep. Definition of stupid: stupid is knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing the lies. Don't blame people for disappointing you, blame yourself for expecting too much from them. If you want to achieve something great, love your work. Don't be afraid to fail, be afraid not to try. Don't trust people whose feelings change with time. Trust people whose feelings remains the same even when the time changes. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them.
இந்த வீடியோ